Yeah, so right now it's satisfied. I'm gonna go ahead and bump it up to make sure, or to bump it down rather, make sure it shuts off. Fan is on auto, so let me check it out. Contactors are looking pretty heated up. Okay, so after checking the schematic here, looking at all the wiring diagrams for the blower motor on the low voltage side, I checked the board inside here, and I'm not getting any voltage coming out of the board. I actually disconnected each wire as well that goes over to the motor. So what I decided to do, I disconnected the low voltage plug on the motor, and it's still running. So obviously that is a sign that the module on that motor is bad, because we're not even getting a 24-volt signal to the motor and it's running. So looks like I need to find a new motor.